Good morning, YouTube. Oh my goodness. We got our first snow. Our first real snow. This is about a foot. And the chickens are not gonna like this. Winter is for the birds. Well, my birds don't like it at all. That's for the birds was originally that shit for the birds. It was popularized during World War II when the soldiers noticed birds picking horse manure to get the seeds, and they would say that's shit for the birds, meaning it's worth nothing. Shoveled out. Chickens can tolerate the cold, but they do not like snow, and you need to make some accommodations for them. This could be interesting. Let's see what they think. Good morning, chickies. Nobody coming out? Okay, I've done the best I can, and now it's feeding time. So they're going to get their regular feed, but in a dog dish right now. They love this blue water bowl. It's not a dog dish, but they like it as a water bowl. There's a regular one. Turn upside down to carry it. And here's our breakfast. There's a little broccoli, a bagel with cream cheese, and some rice noodles and shredded cheese. Bite-sized chicken pieces. Their main food is pellets. It has a complete diet for them and protein, but it's not enough in the winter to make eggs. Alright, get out of here. Ooh, stinky in here. Come on. Out, dum-dum. Come on. Aw. Alright, this is what I've been getting. Somebody's laying a soft egg from the roost. Get. Now here's another one. Egg. It's just laying on the ground. Let's see what else we got. So the lady started laying eggs, and I've been getting, in the beginning it was 1, and then 2. One day I had 4. Yesterday 3. 3 good ones. But I've been getting, every other day, one of these squishy eggs. And there's many reasons for that. But I have upped their calcium, or at least I put lots of oyster shell in there for them. Look, I'm not getting my feet wet. I guess that answers the questions I'm going to have to put. They're such princesses. I'm going to have to put some straw down. It's still cold, chickies. Let's see what happens. Yep, you're usually the first one out. Got a hot breakfast this morning. Well, they seem to like it. By the time I got the gate loose, sort of enough to get in, their warm food was cold. But they're eating. Frank tried to eat all their bread. I had to sit it down on the ground, and he was just woofing it down as fast as he could. Peanut butter bread. Or sunflower butter. Anyway, got 2 eggs this morning. Bless their hearts. 4 yesterday. Gotta feed them all day, but they'll produce. And I'm not gonna close this gate, so I'm just gonna block it off. Because they will come out, even though there's nowhere to go. They do need to run, but I don't think they're getting out today. Alright. pretty much better anyway. They really love it when I come in here. Like, I got them a new egg box. I put Dum Dum in it, and I think she actually laid an egg in it yesterday. Now there's 2 squished up in there. Oh. Dora decided to come out. She lays in the box. Some of them are laying on the ground outside. Somebody's laying on the floor in here. And some people are laying in the box. That's what we're going for, laying in the box. What? What? She's scolding me. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys be. Housekeeping's done. A nice one this morning. Nice and warm. Brand new one. I'm expecting a couple more today. Look, this poor bird came in to get some food and got stuck. Shall we help him out, Frank? Should we help him? I'll let you in. I know it's cold today. Let's see if the birdie will let us help him. Isn't he pretty? Okay, it's alright. Oh, now I got you. Okay. Oh, I'm showing off. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to help you. If I don't kill myself on the way. There he goes. Alright, let's go feed the little birds. The little birds get sunflower seeds. It's beautiful in its own way, isn't it? Well, we got water and food yesterday, and we've been up and down, managed to get out. And I fed the big birds. Now it's time to feed all the little birds. And sometimes I volunteer one of the chickens to go with me, and I call it their community service work. And today it's going to be Dum Dum because she keeps picking on people. Let's see if we can get her. Dum's like, oh shit, I'm out here by myself and I don't want to go in the snow. So she's kind of trapped. She's been biting people. Not people, but let's go do some community service work. There we go. There we go. Let's go do some community service work. Boy, they scarfed up. Well, there's still food left. What are you guys doing? I'm going to take this one to do our community service and feed the big birds, little birds. Okay. Yeah, let's go. She loves this, don't ya? Look, her little crown flopped over. She's got this weird hat now. Look this way. Look this way. Boop, boop, boop. They make the cutest sounds, especially in distress. So birds, we go in and we get the seeds, huh? You've been here many times. You aren't very well behaved lately. Want some? Want some? They'll never take it out of my hand. Well, I mean, they won't take this when they're in captivity. Yes. They'll take it out of my hand if I had mozzarella sticks and I wasn't holding them. Okay. Ready? Yes. Let's go do our service. Our community service. Our good citizen work. Because you aren't a very good citizen lately. Oh, I forgot to bring my gloves. I put a suet. I finally found it. Yes, it's deep. Don't struggle. You'll end up in a snowbank. Alright, we gotta clear this off now. Yeah. Okay, here we go, chicky chicky. What do you say? Want some? No. Nope. Up. I wouldn't jump if I were you. I'll leave some on the ground. Because sometimes birds are also selfish. And they'll occupy them all, huh? Oh! Here comes Frank. Frank likes to say hi. Chickens don't like him to say hi. Boop, boop, boop. Mm-hmm. He's not gonna hurt you. Come on, Frank. Frank loves snow. It's crazy. Alright, we'll put her back in. Well, good morning. It's another morning. Not all that good. We still have lots of snow and they're predicting more. And I am going to make suet for the birds. I've discovered they liked it, so I've just started. Right now I have rolled oats and I'm cutting up some figs. And I've got, what else here? Some prunes. I don't know if they like prunes. I'm gonna grind up some pistachios, walnuts. What else do I have? Got another kind of nut. Oh, I just have some mixed nuts. Throw some of those in there. And a jar of old sunflower seed butter. I'm going to add a little bit of that. Peanut butter. And then flour to hold it together. So got some whole wheat flour up here somewhere. I'll find it. And I have lard, creamy peanut butter. Chunky's better, but I didn't have any chunky. So I'm melting the lard. I had lard for something, luckily. I melt it, and then I'll add the butters to it. Peanut butter and the sunflower butter. And then we'll add it to the dry ingredients. The fat and the peanut butter are melted together. And I've never done this before, but I watched some YouTube videos. Basically, it's a cup of lard and then all this stuff. There's, I told you what all, but I put some corn also, some whole wheat flour, just what I had around. And I'm going to now pour in the oil and the peanut butter. Since I'm not exactly sure how much to add, I'm just going to start by adding a little bit, mixing it up. You want it sort of be the consistency of clay. Okay, I've mixed it up, and I think this is about the consistency you want. Should be able to press it and mix it And I'm going to dump it in here. I don't know if you can see. It's still pretty sticky, but I'm just going to form it into balls, or maybe bells or something. You could put a string in it and hang it, or just tie it when you're done. And put it on the aluminum foil and let it get hard. There are a lot of different recipes you can use. There's just 2 examples. Put it in your suet cage, or just freeform it and sit it on a tree stump somewhere, or stone or something in the backyard. The birds will find it and they'll sure appreciate it. This cold weather has kept the birds confined. It's been about a week and a half now, and that worked out great because we have their egg laying pretty much down to early in the morning, and they go in the box, and I'm not getting any more soft eggs. But you know, I think that was dumb, because another thing about soft eggs, it comes from birds who overproduce. So we're regulated, I think, and I'm getting 3 or 4 eggs a day in the winter. And I gotta tell you, there is nothing better than a fresh egg. Nice hard shell, orange center. They're delicious.